Alright, I admit it. I'm not the best software developer. Come and arrest me. Welcome, my name is Anton from Coding Rich. On this channel I talk mainly about programming, ways of making money and how to improve your life. Let's go. I'm not the best software developer, but I'm okay. I do great in my profession, and I want to tell you why it doesn't really matter that you're not the best. Over the course of the last 7 years, I worked and talked and met many software developers, from bad ones to exceptionally great ones. And I noticed one funny thing. Over 9 out of 10 times, those developers which were great, phenomenal, are usually the ones who stay in the same position their whole life or for many years. And that's a tragedy. They have a normal software developer role, yet they are so great, have such a bright mind, they know how to solve this or that problem so easily and so quickly and so great. But then they don't progress. The internal success doesn't show by numbers, by an increased salary or by a nice position as a CEO. Their boss didn't come to them and be like, hey Jim, you're so great, you're the best here actually, I'm so glad that we have you. How about I double or triple your salary and maybe you want to become CEO, that's no problem. You will not see something like that, and I will tell you why. Because to become a successful software developer, it doesn't really matter how good you are. I'm just okay. I have my base of knowledge and I know how to build on that. I know how to get the knowledge I need and I know how to get the things done. Example, you have two people, Jim and Tom. Now Jim is the bright mind. He is so great. He is the best developer out there. He is a prodigy. He knows the ins and outs of 10 programming languages. He built his first AI app out there and he works as a software developer at the company for 20 years already. For the same company, same position, and a merely increased salary each year. Now Tom is a normal developer. He is a nice guy, but he's different. He has a burning desire. He wants to climb the mountain. He has a big goal. He wants to build the next Minecraft, and he makes a plan. I need this and that. I need to learn those things, and those things are outsourced. And then he starts doing all those things. He thinks, yes, I'm not such a good game developer, so I should go and work for a company for some years to become a really great game developer and learn the ins and outs in there and learn from people who are professionally game developers and learn from people who are a game company as close to the source as possible. And he stays there for a few years. He becomes a really great game developer and then he hires a game designer and together they get the thing done, and after some years he brings out the next Minecraft. Alright, it's not very good, but he made a few millions off of that and he's happy. He doesn't need to work anymore. But Jim, our really great developer, he still works at the company for a very low salary. Now what's more success, Jim or Tom? Of course the one who can show results. Results measured in money, if we talk about professions. So what's the difference between the two of them? The difference is their attitude. The one, Jim, just focuses on his technical details which he needs for his job. That's cool, but there's many more things. You need to learn the soft skills. You need to talk to your boss, to your workmates, to people from other companies. You need to talk to other companies, to CEOs. You need to learn to pitch some ideas. Bring yourself out there. Put that flame that is inside yourself out there to the world by talking as much as possible to people and trying as much as possible. That's the main difference. And the second difference is Tom, or the person who is successful, he has a goal and he has a plan how to achieve that. Those are the two things. To have a burning desire and trying as much as possible and focusing on a specific goal and having a plan and following the plan until you achieve it. And now you can decide, who do you want to be, Jim or Tom? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments. Goodbye.